In this lesson, I'll be showing you how to use your knowledge of percent change to work with discounts. We're going to learn how to calculate discounts. To do this, I'll first off introduce or review the percent decrease. Then I'll introduce you to what the discount really means, and then how do you find the discount, and then we'll work on some discount problems together. So what is the percent decrease? The percent decrease expresses the decrease in value as a percent of the original value. So your decrease is always going to be your original value minus your final value, and that is because your final value is lower than your original value. And how can you express as a percent? You always need to pay attention to your starting point, because your percent is based on your starting value. So that is why you have original value minus final value. So another way of writing this, percent decrease, is the same as the decrease, which is your original value minus your final value divided by your original value. So your original value is your starting point. So you want to know it, you want to find out the percent from which in relationship to where you started from. So this is going to be your decrease percent. This is the decrease divided by original value multiplied by 100. Now let's look at the decrease, the percent decrease from 15 to 9. So let's go ahead and look for the decrease. The decrease is going to be 15 minus 9. So it's going to be original minus final value, which is going to give us 6. Now we want to find out the percent decrease. The decrease with respect to what number? So the decrease is 6, but our starting point is 15, and then we multiply by 100. I can go ahead here and divide both by 3. So I'll get 2 and 5. I can divide 5 by 5, 1. 100 by 5, 20. And that's going to give me 40%. So this is a 40% decrease from 15 to 9. Now, what is a discount? A discount occurs when you have a reduction in price. For those of us who go to the store a lot, especially the departmental stores, you may see something like a sale. That's also a discount. You may see something like 20% off. So those are signs that you have a discount. A discount can be represented as either a percent or an amount. So here, your discount is your original price minus your final price, because your final price is lower. Your discount percent is going to be your discount divided by your original price times 100. Then your discount percent is the percent, your discount actually, if you want to get a value, is your percent discount multiplied by the original price. And then your final price is going to be your original price minus your discount amount. So these are the different ways you can work with discount, either as percent. This shows you different ways you can look at discount, using the percent, using amounts, and so on and so forth. We'll look at some examples where we have to apply a few of these approaches, and I think it'll make some sense to you once we're done. So how do we go ahead to find the discount and the discount percent? We want to first find out what the original price is, and we want to find out what the final price is. So that's really how you identify discounts. You need an original price, you need a final price. You could need a discount percent. There are different variations of ways to represent discount. So let's look at step 3 here. To find the discount, we substitute the values here. So the discount is your original price minus your final price. What about the percent discount? We've seen this formula before. So your discount percent is, let me write it this other way. Discount percent is going to be your discount divided by your original price multiplied by 100. And then your discount is your percent discount multiplied by the original price. That will tell you the discount. And then finally, your final price is going to be your original price minus your discount amount. So let's go ahead and look at some examples and see how we can apply this. So a dress that typically sells for $80 is sold for $60. What is the discount given for the dress? So here we know that our discount is going to be original price minus our final price. So the reason why we do it this way, remember, is that your final price is always lower than your original price. So here, your discount is going to be $80 minus $60. So this is going to be a $20 discount. So your discount here is $20. Now, a shirt that typically retails for $120 is sold for $108. What is the percent discount given for the shirt? So let's go ahead and calculate the discount first. Our discount is going to be original price, I'm just going to use short forms here, minus final price. So this is going to give me $120 minus $108, and if you do this, it should give you $12. Now we want to find out the percent discount given. So the percent discount is going to give us, actually, let's go ahead and write formula. One thing I like to do is I like to present the formula first so that I know exactly my approach, and then anyone else who's looking at my work can also see the approach I'm taking, so that if I make an error, it's easy to pinpoint where the error happened. So the percent discount is going to be your discount divided by your original price multiplied by 100. So here our discount is 12, our original price is 120, and then we multiply by 100. So I'm going to, 0 here is going to cross this 0 out, 12 cancels itself. So we're going to have 1 multiplied by 10, which is going to give us 10%. So there's a 10% discount if we sell for $108 what originally retails for $120. Okay, after the Christmas holiday, the supermarket gave its customer a 20% discount on all Christmas lights. If the original price of Christmas lights at the supermarket is $15, how much did the customer pay? So we want to first find out the discount. The discount is going to be our percent discount multiplied by price. Or let's call this original price. Okay, so our discount here is going to be 20% multiplied by 15. So I'm going to cross this out here, and then 10 divided by 5, I have 2. 15 divided by 5, I have 3. 2 divided by 2, 1. So this is going to be a $3 discount. So what is the final price? So remember that discount is going to be original price minus final price. So our original price is $15. Our discount is 3. We don't know what the final price is, so let me call that F. So let's come over here. 3 equal to 15 minus F. So we want to find out what is the actual amount that the customer would have paid. So let's go ahead and we can do some manipulation here. So I'm going to subtract 3 here, and then that's going to give me 0, subtract 3 here also. 0 equal to 12 minus F. I'm going to add F here, add F here. So F equal to 12. So our final price is $12. Another way you can look at it, which could be easier for you, is that if the customer was given a 20% discount, what did the customer pay? The customer would have paid 80% of the price, because 100% is how much the the item cost, and then we subtract 20% from that. So you have 80%. So because you have a 20% discount, the customer only paid 80% of what the item was worth. So now your final price can also be 80 over 100 times 15. So we cross this out here. This is 4, this is 5, and then 3. So 4 multiplied by 3, you have 12. So just two different ways to look at things. Whenever you're doing math, always remember that it's possible that there could be more than one way to get to the answer. So final example here is for the back to school shopping season, school supplies were discounted at a rate of 40%. So let's do this, discount percent. So we have 40%, so 40%. A customer purchased a bag of pencils or a pencil bag for $3.60. What was the original cost? So now we have two ways to look at this. One way is to identify that if the discount is 40%, that means that the customer pays 60% of the value. Customer pays 60%. So 60% of an unknown value, let's call that X, is going to be equal to $3.60. So now we can simplify 60%. Let's divide this by 20. We have 3 and 5. So 3 over 5x equal to 3.60. So now we can do a cross product here. So this is going to be 3x over 5 equal to 3.60 over 1. So let's go ahead and do a cross product here. So we have 3x is equal to 5 multiplied by 3.60. So 3x is equal to 18. And now we can divide both sides by 3. And then x is equal to 6. So the original cost of the item was $6. This is most likely the easiest way to do this. There's another way to do it, but it'll take you quite a while to complete. So I'm going to show you this method because it's the best way to do it, and this is the least confusing approach to this. So at the end of this all, you can see that with discount, there are lots of different ways to look at discount. And an important thing for me as I work with discount is to always remember that when you have a discount, then you're paying 100% minus that discount value as a customer. So remember in this case, because we have a discount of 40%, the customer is paying 60%. So now you can work with 60% as what the customer is responsible for.